In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Trello. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and keeping your workflow on track. But did you know you can also use it to track time spent on specific tasks? Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, this feature can help you stay productive and gain better insights into how your time is allocated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and use a time tracking power-up in Trello. Let's get started. First, look at the top right corner of your Trello board. You'll see an icon that looks like a rocket ship. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, choose Add Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello allow you to add extra features to your boards, and the one we're looking for today will let you track your time. Now that you're in the Power-Ups menu, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into it and type Activity by Christoph Kettelhoy. This is the specific power-up we need for time tracking. Once it appears in the search results, look to the right of its name and click the Add button. This will add the power-up to your Trello board. After the power-up is added, a Settings button will appear. Click on it to access the configuration options. At this point, you'll be prompted to authorize the power-up. This step is necessary to grant it the permissions it needs to work with your Trello board. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once that's done, you'll notice a shortcut button for the power-up has been added to the top right corner of your Trello board. This makes it easy to access whenever you need it. Now, let's put the power-up to use. Select a specific card where you want to track time. Open the card, and you'll see a new Start Timer button. When you're ready to begin working on that task, simply click the Start Timer button. The timer will immediately begin tracking your time. When you're finished with the task, or if you need to pause, just click the Stop Timer button. This will stop the time tracking and save the log time for that specific task. To review the total time you've spent on a task, look to the right-hand side of the card. You'll see a button labeled Total Time Activity. Click on it to view a detailed breakdown of all the time logged for that card. And that's it! You've successfully set up and learned how to use time tracking in Trello. If you're new to Trello, you can find a link in the description below to create an account and get started with this versatile tool. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.